Hi friends, Bill here from Bill's Reviews and Tech Tips. There's not really enough room in this scene for me to appear along with our featured product, which is the Ninja Air Fryer. And I love this thing. It's on the kitchen counter at my house. And let me tell you at the very beginning, to resist the urge to call an air fryer nothing more than a glorified toaster oven. That's kind of like calling an SUV a skateboard. Yeah, they both have four wheels, but one has a whole lot more usefulness to it, and that is the case with this Ninja. Let me walk you through some of the basics, okay? First of all, there are several settings. There's air fryer, there's air roast, there's a broil. I think the one I use the most is bake to make sandwiches. There's dehydrate to dry out fruit and things like that. You can warm things up, and then there's a toaster and a bagel setting. Very, very versatile. And the good news is super easy to operate. So let me show you quickly how this works. First of all, door goes down and you have your choice of three different trays, right? So we have the mesh tray, which is really good for maybe making your French fries and other things that need some air to come in underneath them according to the directions. Then we have a regular tin that slides in, and of course, a traditional oven rack. You'll put one of these in here at a time for the most part. And once you get your food loaded in, couldn't be much easier, close the flap, and then set it to be, pick it up here, 3, 2, 1. Get your food on the rack, slide it in, and then close the door. Couldn't be much easier. And then we deal with our settings. If we want to bake something, we'll give it a few minutes to preheat, in this case to 350, but yes, you can adjust whatever that temperature is. When you're ready to go, you just press the button and it begins the process for you, and the counter will go. As soon as this preheating is done, you'll hear a beeping sound and you're ready to go. Now, my purpose really isn't to walk you through every bit of the user guide, but instead to show you how efficient and how useful of a product this is. You've got a light that lets you see inside if you want to keep an eye on things that are in there. You've got timers you can set and all sorts of different options. Let me turn it off for a moment. I'm going to show you one of the coolest features, because in our kitchen there's not a whole lot of counter space. And here's the beauty of this Ninja. Ready? It comes on a rotating base that allows you to tip it up, and it is now recessed back in, and you get this counter space back. I absolutely love that feature. So that is a quick flyby look at the Ninja Air Fryer. I absolutely love this thing, and you will too. We'll see you next time.